Hey guys, good news and bad news. I'm learning a lot from these tutors, but I'm also learning how much I don't know. I'm getting through a lot of the obstacles holding me up, but now the obstacles I'm running into are getting more and more complicated. I'm really excited though. I'm making progress. I know it's just a matter of time before something clicks in my head and I figure this out and I start churning out content nonstop. Until then, let me help you lower your blood pressure and your stress by watching these cats trip out over the new catnip toys I just gave them. Enjoy.